I had a fun question a couple days ago. Somebody said, "What's not in the book?" You know, that's love of chromatic harmonica techniques and advice from the world's best. Well, one thing that's not in the book, I think, is that the amount of technical exercises I do every day. And these are all technical exercises. They're not songs and they're not scales. I have scales that I work on, but these are just technical exercises. And as an example, one thing I've found is that it's probably true for most of us that we never really spent a whole lot of time just working on the slide, just concentrating just on the slide. And this is like a concept that I use called isolation exercises, where I'll take one thing from harmonica playing and just work on it. Like this is another technical exercise, which is changing the depth and pace of vibrato. Just to really hone in on it and get it under control. Now slide work, what's that one? It's just the slide, thinking the slide, the attack on the slide. And one thing I'll work on is the different forms of hitting the slide, like and it's interesting that the slide plays the same functions for us. The going to another key on piano is something that we really need to understand completely, forwards and backwards, and to be comfortable doing it in all segments of the harmonica. Another form of technical exercise is called note hunt, and these are G's. I'll do that for every note, just so I know, oh, where are they? Oh, they're there. And then a really major technical exercise is to understand the two center C's. Now this is the same as a 16-holer without the front, and it doesn't have the two lowest notes or the two highest holes. It doesn't have the two lowest holes or the two highest holes, but this is in the middle, so it's still got the same orientation as 16. That's why I like orchestral tuning, one of the reasons. So what I'll do is just work on that C position. I'm differentiating between CD and CB and finding them. And so that's another technical exercise, just absolutely lock in on the center point of the harp. And then I'll do it for other C positions. So these are technical exercises. These are the first things I do in the morning. I don't play music, don't read music in the morning. Strictly technical exercises to improve control of the instrument. I highly recommend them. I think you'll find it makes a big difference in the speed of your improvement.